Good afternoon, this is Jim Bowie from National Concrete Polishing, and I am at a 100,000 square foot sporting facility that we are contracted to do flooring. The first floor we will be doing in a metallic epoxy system along with a urethane cement kitchen. Second floor we will be installing an epoxy flake system, custom colors by the client. This product is Extreme Polyurea Concrete Joint Filler. It's a fast-setting, UV-inhibited, heavy-duty polyurethane concrete sealant. Heavy, hard-wheel transport often damages the brittle joint ends of commercial, retail, and industrial concrete floors, which this product is specifically designed to protect. This filler creates a smooth, flat surface for the transportation of all goods and people over it. Designed for filling and protecting joints in heavily trafficked industrial and retail concrete floors, the product services this purpose effectively. Its primary purpose is to support traffic and safeguard joint edges.